Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Shopify Flow for automating order routing, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL www.shopify.com and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your store's email address in the first field. After entering your email, proceed to the password field. Type in your password associated with your Shopify account. Once both fields are filled in correctly, click on the login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Shopify admin dashboard. In the left sidebar, scroll down until you find Apps. Click on Apps to open the Apps section. At the top right corner, click on the Visit Shopify App Store button. In the search bar, type Shopify Flow. From the search results, click on the Shopify Flow app. If you haven't already installed it, click the Add App button. Follow the prompts to install the app into your Shopify store. Once installed, head back to your Shopify admin dashboard. In the left sidebar, you will now see Flow listed under Apps. Click on Flow to enter the Shopify Flow dashboard. You are now logged into Shopify Flow. From here, you can start creating workflows to automate order routing. To create a new workflow, click on the Create Workflow button. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your automation rules. Make sure to save your workflow once you've finished configuring it. You can now manage and edit your workflows as needed. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into Shopify Flow and are ready to automate your order routing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.